Is it true that you'll never truly forget how to ride a bike? So I've not touched a bike in over 10 years. So today I've gone and bought a cheap bike off of Facebook Marketplace. So this is the bike. I believe it's a Calibre Triple B. Not in the bestest of conditions, but I picked this bike up only for £300. And there's not a lot wrong with it, rides fine. I could say the brakes probably will need new pads on them soon. And I do need to pump up the shocks because I'm a fat now when I've fully maxed out the forks. You can see there, and also here, it does have a dropper post on it, but it doesn't work. But other than that, drives fine. Now I may be wrong, but I believe this bike here retails for over £1,000. I'll put the dollars on screen. But yeah, it's actually got the Fox shocks, I believe, the Fox on the back. I think so anyway. Can't lie, it was a ChatGPT job. Like I say, I've not been on a bike in over 5 years. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can jump back on it and it's still gonna be able to ride away. So I've actually got you guys on the chest mount today. I've upgraded, hopefully you can hear me well. A little bit of a creaky bike. So I'm just riding along this little trail here. Just spotted this little kind of drop. Bit of a rock there. Move that out of the way, kill me. But yeah, before I would have been able to drop off this. So let's go have a look at the top and see how it looks from up there. So I'm at the top of the trail here. Definitely leaves a little bit of TLC. And you can see there's sticks everywhere. Oh gosh, I'm a little bit rusty on bike. It looks a little bit more like a trail from up there, but it doesn't seem to be too that way. And then where's this drop? Oh, that's steep. You can see I definitely got scared then. Literally just slammed the brakes on. And you can hear the sound, they definitely need new brake pads. Not too bad to say I've not been on a bike in a long time. That other one wasn't as kind of steep as I thought. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Wow, some tight corners here, tell you that. Whoop. Little jump. Brake is an awful sound, not gonna lie. Wasn't too good of a run, was it? Right, let's get it. I need to get off these brakes. Like I say, I don't know this trail, so I don't want to send it too fast. A lot of sharp bushes. I should have really have my should have a long sleeve on. I feel like I'm jumping around a lot, but I don't want to film the boring stuff, only the good. So take this little trail here.